guys, what's up? It's with a special guest. He's been on my channel before. His name is
Andrew from the channel Shane Wilson.
Yeah, this is our behind the scenes we're making.
Yeah, we're making a new game called Castle Simulator.
Jeffy.
Yeah, a Jeffy Castle Simulator.
Well, it's already a castle.
Yeah, it's pretty much in a castle. And this game is supposed to show you what it is to be in a castle. And this is just a behind the scenes look of what is going to be in our game so far.
Andrew's gonna put stop. Because it we need to use some stuff, right, Andrew?
No, I'm gonna put in.
Guys, we're gonna have to delete the chat things. That's how I started, right, Andrew?
I'm gonna put in.
They can see it.
I know.
I'm just.
I know. We're on Colton's channel though.
And guys, but we're gonna delete that stuff pretty soon, right, Andrew?
Yeah.
After this video.
So in the game, you are supposed to be. You can be like a knight and stuff, and it's pretty much it's just pretty much being in a knight. It's pretty much how it feels to be in a castle. Like you can be a knight, king.
I hear that's not more.
Okay. We're gonna delete.
Andrew, I'm pretty good.
Gonna stop doing.
Yeah, you're gonna have to delete that chat thing, Andrew. This is annoying. Guys, if you have any of those chat things, those people I say that stuff, yeah, delete those. But me and Andrew are gonna delete it after the video. Yeah, you guys check out my channel, my Roblox account. So this is what we'll delete. Turn around, step back around for delete. That's what we're going to delete over there.
Yeah.
Right, Andrew?
Yeah, let's try to delete that now.
Let's press stop. Okay. You have to delete the whole guy. You don't need to delete the guy. That guy's annoying. Guys, that's the guy that's going to be annoying in class. Well, we're going to make a guy. We'll make guys in class. We'll make a class in here. Right, Andrew?
Sure. So pretty much this is just the behind the scenes of the game. The first.
So we have to delete that stuff. See that down there, Andrew? Oops, sorry, I farted.
First look of the game.
I farted.
I hate you.
What? Okay, so we're gonna move on to the next one.
Where's the next one?
It's inside the castle, probably.
Probably right. Probably right. Not gonna lie.
How do you know?
Let me search it for food.
There's already food, Andrew.
No, but it's not none of the goals. I want to make food.
Guys, this video is gonna be short, right, Andrew?
Yeah, this is.
You can't show you that much.
Yeah, we can't show you that much. This is gonna be one of the funniest things in here.
Life.
Oh gosh. I just leaked it. I just leaked this. Where is it?
What did you on the floor? Guys, this is a failed video. Oh my god.
What the heck?
Oh gosh, guys.
What the heck?
This video. Yeah, I wanted to delete this video, right, Andrew?
Yeah, but I could fix it. Hold up, I know a way to fix this.
Actually, just delete the castle. That's all you can do.
Or we can just delete this whole piece right here altogether.
Let's delete the castle.
No, let's just make a roof. I need a roof.
Andrew, no, you need the floors.
No, I'm gonna get floors in a second.
Guys, my mouse is glitching and I'm very sorry.
Why can't I move it?
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to stop recording this. And that's all those things we could do. And bye.
Bye.